Hi guys, I'm here with another video, and today's video I decided it to be truly to its time, so we really do have only 5 minutes to do this look. The only extra time is me speaking to you guys right now, but this is truly what I do every single time I do need to just be ready. And nothing special, just get ready to either go out to the grocery store, get ready for the day, or go to school. This is what I do every single time, so it really shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really time myself, but I know I don't want to expend extra time doing my makeup. In the mornings I pretty much sleep as much as I can, and once I get up it's just really just to get up and go. So this is truly my every single day routine, my every single easy quickest just get it done routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, first one, let's hydrate our face a little bit. I don't really focus on putting too much primer every single day. I don't really want my makeup to look perfect every single day, so I just use the e.l.f. Putty primer just to cover those pores. Nothing perfect, just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my brows with the gel right here. Just brush them up. Sometimes I just take them like that, but I really wanted to show you guys something that I had been sleeping on once I found these. Like, this is what I'm talking about. This is the Brow Art Studio 2-in-1 double-ended ink pen. These are awesome. You see this end right here? Let me just get you a little bit close. I can't see. I'm gonna go ahead and really just paint the brows right here, as you guys can see, hopefully. Oh, I got the darkest one. This is not my shade, guys. I'm gonna use the other one on the other side. Shade. This one's actually my shade. See that? It looks like actual hairs. I'm amazed with these, and I'm gonna show you right now. Right now, I don't need a lot of filling, but do you guys see how natural that looks right here? Now, just to show you real quick, this is how thin they come out. Ooh. Do you guys see that? This is the other end. Okay, and this is the awesome part about this is I'm gonna show you guys. This is awesome. Like, it literally doesn't take me that long to get it done. That's why I use it every day now. I really feel like I was sleeping on that. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using this Come Closer Serum Foundation by Orsi. I'm not sure how to like pronounce their name, but I'm just going to use a foundation brush. Just one pump. I mean, we don't need to cover too much. And this is like really thin. I'm just going to go ahead. Even the way that I am applying it, guys, this is really what I do, because like I said, I don't really want to spend too much time every single day doing my makeup. I just want to be able to get up and go, you know. And I know I said I was gonna do like true to time, but the focusing is a little funny with the camera, so that's the only thing that I was cutting off right there. Now I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just gonna apply it on the very important areas, at least to me, right here. And I'm gonna go back with the foundation brush and then just really blend that concealer in those places where I need it. Sometimes I do even skip the foundation, guys. Just go straight to concealer and just get going. Those days are the days that I definitely woke up late and there's no time to be extra. But you know what, there could be days where, like, you know, I feel comfortable in my own skin and don't put anything on other than just curling my lashes. I really don't think I should go out without curling my lashes. Your lashes make a huge difference. I'm gonna go ahead and use this LYS cream blush, and I'm just gonna apply it on my finger, blend it real well, almost with my whole hand. A little bit on my nose. Now go back and try to fix any creasing before I set it. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this Airspun loose face powder and set everything up. Now I know my eyelashes are curled, so I'm just gonna pretend I curl them because that's really what I do. I curl my lashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I go ahead and apply mascara. I think the mascara and curling your lashes makes a huge difference, you guys. If you really don't have time, literally just cover those dark circles, put some eyelash mascara, and and brush those brows and you're good to go. For the lips, I do love a lip stain. The one that I really like right now is this ColourPop Fresh Kiss. It's a glossy lip stain. I just apply it, obviously. What I do like about this lip stain is it does come off with some creaminess to it. So you could just keep wearing this until it wears off. And after it wears off, you just have the lip stain. For the eyes, I do go with a little bit of bronzer or contour. And again, I don't do anything fancy. I just go right here on the corner, pull it in a little bit and blend it out. Nothing too dark, just a little bit of color to the eyelid, mostly to the outer side of the eyelid. And that's it. I use the same bronzer, a bronzing brush, and add a little bit right here to the sides. That's if I have extra time, but if not, then I'm fine with just concealer and blush. That's it. Sometimes I set it, sometimes I don't. It depends how I feel. This is just like a hydrating mist. And that is it, you guys. That's pretty much what I do every single morning, or when I really have just 5 minutes to do my makeup. I did say I wasn't gonna cut it, but I kept repeating some words. I can have you guys be watching me saying the same thing like 3 or 4 times, but I promise you it didn't take me more than 5 minutes. Let me just take this off. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram as Isabella, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.